Hello and welcome to this lesson on Copilot, an amazing tool that Microsoft offers us. To use it, you need to complete a series of steps, meaning you must follow a complex procedure. Not difficult, but complex because it involves several steps, after which we will be able to use Copilot. This lesson is dedicated to installing Copilot and all the steps needed to start using it. But before that, I want to show you what can be done. With Copilot, we'll quickly make examples to see what we can do with it. Then, in the second step of the lesson, we'll go through the entire installation procedure. I have obviously already installed it on my computer and also created this icon. On the desktop, using the direct shortcut to Copilot, we'll open it. So I double-click, Microsoft Start opens, and now I click on this icon at the top right. This is the Copilot icon. I'll open it. So let's open it and immediately ask it some questions, because through this chat, Copilot lets you ask questions on various topics. On any topic you can think of and need information about, it will provide a range of relevant details, both descriptive and as formulas. If you ask it for a formula in Excel, Access, or DAX for Power BI, it will give you information useful for school research, a presentation, or a thesis. So let's try a few quick examples, then we'll go through the entire installation process. For example, to sum cells in Excel, suppose I don't know how to do it, I press Enter. And now Copilot will generate its response. So it gives us descriptive information, but now we will scroll through this response. It also gives us precise information on how to sum between two cells in Excel. So it explains to us what a sum is and how the data is added in Excel. And it also shows us exactly how they are added. For example, you need to add the cell references in an empty cell. If we want to add up the values of an entire column, in this cell, we must write from A2 to A10. And it will add all the values in this column. Here, I can obviously access Microsoft support directly to learn more. So he directly created links to Microsoft support. And then down here, it offers us other solutions with direct links related to the topic in general. Specifically to Microsoft support in this case. We also see other links that we can open. Here, for example, there are YouTube tutorials explaining how to do this. And below, it also immediately offers other types of analyses on Excel, including how to create Traxel formulas. So here it offers us subtraction, and it also offers multiplication. As you can see, it's an extraordinary tool. Let's try asking it another question. For example, a Microsoft Access script to open a linked form. For example, I am on the quotes form. I am on a specific quote and want the report for that quote to open. So from those quotes, obviously I should write a macro, but what should I write in this macro? Copilot is going to tell us immediately. It will give us precisely the formula which we obviously need to customize with the data from our tables and according to the names of the objects in our Access application. As you can see, it doesn't just give us descriptive information, but it really gives us scripts to insert in the Access programming language to obtain this function.